A very, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, what a bright way to start a brand new experience. Yes, today we all are here for a very special reason. Definitely, we are going to talking about them. He is my favorite. He is everyone's favorite. He is like the ever shining sun. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a huge round of applause, Mr. Mahesh Bhatt.
पूरा फ्रेम में
And we also got one more special guest. I still remember when I was in school that film came, Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, and everyone, I was in a girls' school, all the girls went, man, who is this charming guy? Yes, I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dino Moria. Dino Moria. Please take this. Depicting some of the conjectures ingrained in our society using the predisposing power of fiction. The vivid journey of Arushi and Aniket is extremely relatable. After a blissful courtship period, they finally tied the knot. For the answer, I definitely have to come to you, Oritra. We are going to talk about it, but before that, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to share a few things about our author. It's my favorite because Oritra is a chemical engineer by profession and author and blogger by passion. She works with Reliance Industries Limited as senior technologist. Oritra his journey of introspection with the perspective of using the power, the fiction to convey social messages. She will time in trust me. She will continue to narrate forever and touch millions of hearts. So ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. And finally we got our special guest and obviously Auditra, and because of her today we all are here. So the moment is here that
she's from the publisher side. She's from Become Shakespeare. Malini, please come up, guys, please.
So ladies and gentlemen, we finally got the book, Introspection. Please put your hands together. Yes. Let's the journey begin, and this is a completely new journey. We finally got where. Yes, that's the spirit. Introspection by Auditra Sengupta. I'd also like to call Surita Di here. Please come here, Surita Di. For coming, everyone. Okay, thank you so much to you to talk about the book. So please say a few things about the book. I already read it. So it's amazing. It's a beautiful fiction. So please say a few words about the book.
Thank you so much, Deepika, for the question. And before answering it, I would like to thank Mahesh ji and Vino ji for coming here, and also the entire media, Malini from my publishing side, for gracing this occasion. It's such a wonderful day for me, and I cannot express in words. To talk about my book, it's been like I've always wanted to write something, and around 3 years back, I had started with this journey of introspection. Basically, I have always related to fiction. I think fiction is a medium by which the characters become palpable, and through them, I can subtly give certain messages, catering to popular taste as well. So this book is about Aniket and Arushi and their evocative journey, how they fall in love, how they get married and come in Bombay. And life was blissful. But how long? As she said, but how long? Things changed and personalities altered as hard reality attack to their dreams. As Aniket, who's extremely careerist, faces an unprecedented downfall in his career graph, his persona undergoes a radical change. Addiction, depression changes him into a draconian, and Arushi from a distance witnesses him not do anything. But then you may ask, what's new? The newness of the book is, it is not about Aniket. It is about the Anikets. It is about the Anikets of the society and how Anikets are created. It is about the conjectures which are engraved in the nascent mind and how it is transferred from generation to generation. So it's my subtle attempt to give the messages through fiction which has a predisposing power, I believe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I would also love to ask you one more question. What inspired you to write a book and what made you choose this subject in particular?
Basically, the thing that inspired me to write the book is my love for words. I believe words have immense power to convey because I don't have a platform to convey what I feel, to do for the society and also for myself. So I thought words are very powerful and I will use them to convey my messages to the society through a fiction because that's what I can relate to most. And the subject, because it is extremely relatable, I think Arushi is like any other woman you encounter. She has a job, she has a family, and she has a lot of dreams. So she's like all of us. And same for Aniket, he's like any other person we encounter. So I think the relatability is something that made me choose the subject.
Thank you so much, sir. I would love to ask you.
Well, I don't have one specific space that I devote. I read. I'm a always love books. I nowadays read less of fiction and I read more memoirs because the appetite for fiction has been taken to now by the web space and audiovisual content that falls into the but yes, there are certain books that certainly strike them badly, but those are very rare. But what is heartening is to see young writers from Kolkata, chemical engineer, goes to Reliance, Surat, Mumbai, and urge to tell stories that compels them to put pen to paper in older reference and sort of in your iPad. Maybe your just one phone. And you finally have come up with this. And anybody who thinks this is an ordinary achievement does not know what writing is. It's only he who has written knows how difficult it is to write. Only writers respect writing of any and every kind. So I'm very happy that we have people, women, young women, who are stretching themselves, who kind of make their kind of things meet through a different platform of the Indian still have this overriding need to write. I think that's what makes you special. And my boss, last week, I remember saying that it's easy for a filmmaker to lie to his biography or his memoir. When he comes to fiction, he can't lie. A writer gets completely stripped off all pretenses and is revealed for what he is. I bet this movie, this book, though it's called fiction, has a lot of truth in it. And you don't have to be a genius to detect what is it. At times, people use fiction as a big leap to tell their own stories. That's what is so theoretical. And you don't need psychiatrists. You're a consumer led on the page. let's say, your version of that particular in this kind of concept. I feel it's a very, very brave endeavor of yours.
Thank you so much, sir.
And then I realized, what's up?
Dirty diploma.
No, I did not. As a matter of fact, I gave it to your nephew Mohit. I read a lot. Me too. Less of fiction now and more biographies, autobiographies, memoirs, personal stories. But having said that, what's interesting is like congratulate this technical level now writing about chemistry and relationships, books. Really, really interesting. So we'd love to read introspection and understand what this work of fiction is all about. Nevertheless, having said that, like Prasad says, it takes a lot. It takes someone really great to come here and write and actually get that book published. And congratulations, and I hope it does really well. And good luck in the future for the rest of your things.
Thank you so much. Monica, I would like to ask you, tell us something about the process of publishing your book.
She will tell us, she's from the publishing side, so Malini, please tell us about the publishing process.
Manjus are also here. This company who's been working on the project, and it's like a team effort, and of course, it's like you said, she's led on the paper, literally, so it's her life's effort. Congratulations Thank you so much, Malini. That we are really, really thankful to this place, Travel, our venue partner.
एक ऐसी किताब है जिसको आप ज़रूर पढ़िए, क्योंकि एक नौजवान पीढ़ी की दिल की आवाज़ आपको इसमें सुनाई देगी। अरित्रा जी जो कलकत्ता से सूरत होते हुए मुंबई आई हैं, उनके अंदर वो आग थी कि उन्होंने जाकर पब्लिशर को खोजा और आखिरकार अपनी दिल की बात जो है लफ्ज़ों के ज़रिए आप तक पहुंचाई है। और ये एक वाकई मुबारक दिन है कि आपके बीच एक नौजवान पीढ़ी की एक नई आवाज़ मौजूद है। और हिंदुस्तान की खासियत यही है कि आप का रोज़मर्रा का काम कुछ भी हो, आप हाउसवाइफ हों, आप केमिकल इंजीनियर हो, मगर आपके अंदर कहानी सुनने और कहने का अगर जज्बा हो तो आप यकीनन वो प्यास पूरी कर सकते हैं। और मेरी बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद है मेरी तरफ से बिकमिंग शेक्सपियर का जो पब्लिशिंग हाउस है, उन्होंने सुना कि एक पूरे प्रोसेस के बाद में ये पुस्तक जो है पब्लिश की है। 5000 जो हैं पोटेंशियल राइटर्स जो थे, उन्होंने अपना जो सैंपल भेजा था इनको, और उनमें से ये चुनी गई हैं। तो थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग न्यू टैलेंट।
सर, डेली लाइफ में आप बुक पढ़ना बहुत पसंद करते हैं, तो कैसे टाइप के आपको बहुत पसंद है जो डेली लाइफ में आप पढ़ते हैं?
मैं फिक्शन बहुत कम पढ़ता हूँ, मगर मेमोइर्स और करंट अफेयर्स की बिहाइंड द सीन्स जानकारी हासिल करने के लिए स्पेशलिस्ट के पर्सपेक्टिव से ज़िंदगी को समझने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
ओके सर, आपने कोई ऐसा पैरा या कुछ पढ़ा है ये बुक के बारे में या
ये एक अवसर है जब हम आकर नौजवान पीढ़ी के राइटर्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि एक लेखक ही समझ सकता है कि लिखना कितना मुश्किल काम है। और ख़ास करके आज की तारीख में जहाँ पर आप व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजिंग करते हैं और कागज़ और कलम इस्तेमाल ही नहीं करते हैं, तो मेरा ये मानना है कि जब भी आपको कोई आपके आसपास एक ऐसा व्यक्ति मिले जिसके अंदर कहानी कहने की क्षमता है, तो उसे सपोर्ट ज़रूर कीजिए। तो मैं इनको सपोर्ट करने आया हूँ।
सर, आपको अगर मौका मिले अपना आपकी बायोपिक करने या ऐसा कुछ लिखने अपने ऊपर, तो आपकी जर्नी के बारे में आप बुक लिखना चाहिए?
मैंने अपनी सारी ज़िंदगी जो भी किया अपनी ज़िंदगी से हासिल करके ही किया है। फिल्में बनाई हैं और जो अपने जीवन पे आधारित थी, और वो फिल्मों के लिए पहले लिखना पड़ता फिर फिल्में बनती हैं। मगर हाँ, ये जिसका जिक्र कर रहे हैं आप कि क्या मेरी ज़िंदगी की जो सच्चाइयाँ हैं वो किसी बुक फॉर्म में कभी आएंगी, यकीनन आएंगी। हमारे साथ सुनीता जो जी आई हैं, जो लेखक हैं, जो हम मेरे साथ काम कर रही हैं, वो एक प्रोसेस में बहुत ही शिद्दत से इन्वॉल्व है कि वो मेरी ज़िंदगी को एक बुक फॉर्म में रिप्रोड्यूस करके पेश करें।
अगर फेवरेट राइटर की बात करें तो आपकी फेवरेट राइटर कौन है?
एक राइटर कभी होता नहीं है, दुनिया में अलग अलग मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के लोग हैं और उनके दृष्टि से हमने ज़िंदगी को चखा है, तो कोई एक व्यक्ति का नाम लेना और इतने बड़े क्षेत्र को एक व्यक्ति के सोच से में ही बांध देना अन्याय होगा इतने विराट एक स्पेस के साथ।
सर देखा जाए तो 90 का एरा ऐसा लग रहा है वापस आने वाला है, यहाँ पे धमकियाँ मिल रही है एक्ट्रेस को, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में? या कितना ये सही है? देखा जाए तो एक तरफ उसे एक्टर को प्यार करते हैं और दूसरी तरफ धमकियाँ देते हैं।
मुझे लगता है ये बुक लॉन्च का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर हमें पुस्तक से संबंधित ही सवाल पूछने चाहिए और जवाब देने चाहिए, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि ऐसे सवाल जो हैं आपकी सुर्खियाँ जो है बन जाती हैं। मगर मेरा जो इंटेंशन है आके एक नौजवान लेखक को सपोर्ट करने का है, इसलिए मैं इस पर कोई कमेंट नहीं करूँगा। The biases are a reality, and that's what writers deal with within themselves and also outside, and they try to deconstruct them, battle with them, and create fictional endings which perhaps are difficult to create in day-to-day life. So, as they say, a writer is a fairer god. What is not possible in real life, a writer achieves in his own universe.
So, sir, will you make a film on this novel?
I've not even read the novel. I find the idea very engaging, but every book that we read, we do not look at it through the prism of converting it into a film. As I said, I've come here to applaud a young talent because I think it is very difficult in this age and time, especially in this attention deficit era, where people do not have time to concentrate, to have a young writer pull out a story after doing a job which is from a different field of being an engineer. So it's an extraordinary achievement, and I've come here to applaud that achievement.
फिल्मों का रीमेक भी काफी हो रहा है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हमने ही किया था रीमेक, तो ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि दुकान चलानी पड़ती है। फ्रेंचाइज जो है, फ्रेंचाइज की कामयाबी की क्षमता जो है ज़्यादा होती है, मगर रिस्क भी 10 गुना ज़्यादा हो जाता है, क्योंकि अक्सर रीमेक के बारे में ये कहा जाता है कि वो ओरिजिनल के बराबर है ही नहीं।
सर आपने सुना था कि सड़क 2 भी बहुत ही जल्द बनने वाली है, तो उनकी क्या स्टेटस है?
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन।
Congratulate Aritra ji for the release of this book. जैसे भट्ट साहब ने कहा, किताब लिखना बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ है, कोई आसान बात नहीं है। और जो इनका पब्लिशर है उन्होंने कहा कि 5000 कहानियों में से ये कहानी चुन चुकी है, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ बिग स्टेप एंड मुबारकबाद मैं उनको देना चाहता हूँ। आई एंजॉय रीडिंग बुक्स। और जैसे भट्ट साहब ने कहा कि आजकल जो अटेंशन डेफिसिट जनरेशन है, क्योंकि आजकल सोशल मीडिया और जो टेक्नोलॉजी के ज़रिए इतने मतलब people don't have the time to concentrate and focus for at least an hour, 2 hours on a book. But I enjoy reading books.
What type of books you read?
I read non-fiction. Yes. I mean, I like biographies. Like, for instance, the latest I've read is Elon Musk and his story. So उस तरह की किताब मुझे बहुत पसंद है।
बायोपिक का काफी ट्रेंड है, तो अभी जैसे आपने बायोग्राफी की बात की,
लिखने का या पिक्चर में?
पिक्चर में, तो
जी।
आप किसका रोल प्ले करना चाहेंगे?
अगर ऐसा कोई किरदार है जो मैं निभाना चाहता हूँ, भट्ट साहब व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट है? भट्ट साहब की ज़िंदगी, हाँ वो तो कर लेता हूँ सर, कर लेता हूँ। So yes, I'd like to play Bhatt Sahab's life because Bhatt Sahab has had a fantastic life and a very colourful life. और वो भी चालू है। Yes, so yeah, that will be a great biopic. I think it'll be fantastic. कॉमेडी होगा, ट्रेजेडी होगा, हर चीज़ होगा। Thank you.
एक्चुअली इंस्पिरेशन तो सोसाइटी से ही मिला है, सोसाइटी से रिलेटेबल स्टोरी है, तो इंस्पिरेशन इज़ ऑल द पीपल अराउंड मी, दे हैव इंस्पायर्ड मी एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस इंटेंशन टू राइट अ बुक जिसके थ्रू मैं ये मैसेजेस दे पाऊँ, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम वो पढ़ने में भी लोगों को शायद अच्छी लगे, तो आई ट्राइड गिविंग सर्टन मैसेजेस इन थ्रू फिक्शन. दैट वाज द इंटेंशन एंड दैट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन एज वेल. Yeah, actually that is a very tough task, and for that I have to give certain credit to my husband, Abhishek. He's there, he's clicking pictures. So he has been really supportive, because after coming from office it's not an easy task to write a book, but thanks to the support I get from him. There are many. Sir ने जैसे बोला एक जन का नाम बोलना गलत होगा. There are many favorite writers and I love reading as such. तो बहुत सारे हैं. देखिए research in the sense, yes, I did a lot of research because I had a little part of psychiatry involved. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाई की थी, इंटरनेट से देख के, थोड़ा बहुत पूछ के लोगों से, बट बाकी चीज़ें जो है वो फिक्शनल है, इमेजिनरी है, थोड़ा बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस आसपास के लोगों का भी है ऐसे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग. थैंक यू सो मच.